Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Docker on a VPS with systemd for auto restart, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS using SSH. Log into your server with the command SSH user at your VPS IP. Ensure your server packages are up to date. Run the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. Next, install Docker. Use the command sudo apt install docker.ioy. After installation, start the Docker service. Execute the command sudo systemd start docker. Enable Docker to start on boot. Run sudo systemd enable Docker. Verify that Docker is running. Check the status with sudo systemd status docker. Now, create a directory for your Docker application. Use the command dir/mydockeраpp. Navigate to your new directory. Run cd/mydockeраpp. Next, create a simple Docker file. Use the command nano docker file. In the Docker file, add your application code. For example, add from Jinx Alpine. Save and exit the file. Build your Docker image. Run the command sudo docker build t-minejinxapp. Now, create a Docker container from your image. Use the command sudo docker run dname minejinx container p80:80 minejinxapp. Ensure your container is running. Check with sudo docker ps. Next, create a systemd service file for your container. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.